If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality.
What's going on, y'all? Everybody, what's going on? What's going on? Got my baby back here. Got some new mods coming in here. Also, I did another little mod to it. As you can see down here, got the vents are actually functional now. No more fake vents. Driver and passenger. I do have something I'm gonna do with this, but yeah, overall, man, look at this. Nice little spot, looking good. In this video, I'm pretty much gonna show y'all how I did the front vents at the bottom. It's not gonna be nothing fancy or anything like that. Like I said, I still got a lot going on that's coming to the channel, coming to the car. Also trying to get my food stuff connected to the channel a certain kind of way. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's actually looking pretty good. So also, they did have to change the throttle body. They had to change the EGR valve, the main engine harness. Everything I said in the previous video they had to do. They had to do software upload, everything on there. So other than that, man, we're waiting on for the other parts to come in. I gotta wash this up, clean up. But I mean, this is actually, man, it's real nice. So I'm glad to have it back. What's going on, y'all? Today I feel like playing Mad Scientist today again. Got bored, so I'm gonna play Mad Scientist. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify this whole entire air intake system. As you can see, there goes CVT transmission right there. There's our intake, as you can see. What else? Got a catch can right there. And I just feel like playing Mad Scientist today. So, like I said, I already removed the resonator from down low at the bottom. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make these functional so air can flow through these. And I'm gonna do it on both sides. I'm gonna do the driver's side. I'm also gonna do the passenger side over there. So I'm gonna have a little fun. So let's see if it come out right. We're gonna see. All right, so all I gotta do is go in now and sand it out. Time to do the passenger side. Now we got these open up. Go in, sand them out, get the rest of this plastic off. The rest of that plastic off the inside of them. Get all the little nitpick spots that I missed. And yeah, we're gonna do we're gonna do the passenger side now. Making our vents functional. I got a plan for. All right, so what I finished doing, I used Liquid Nails Clear Seal. Where I used it at, you got some little air pockets. This is for the moisture and everything else. I did this on my road, sealed them off, helps the airflow without it having a chance to escape. Not gonna have that much moisture. I did it on this piece. This is a piece that goes up top, as you can see. it goes to the top right there. Sucks in the hole. You saw in the first video I did with this. I ripped the piece out the middle. I'm gonna grind that down some more, clear it out. So I got this piece done. I really wish I could just go in here and just seal this off. Just make this one complete tube. Like just pretty much just cut this piece off, because I'm really not using it anyways. So I'm gonna figure that out later on, like covering that up. But as far as that, I got that done. And I also did it on this. Let's see, where is that? Yeah, here we go. I did it on here too. So you got two moisture release holes on this entire intake. And like I said, I did these. I'm gonna sand them up, repaint them, repaint it black, make it look fresh again. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side right now. Season testing mode. So once I get everything done, like I said, I'm gonna be a mad scientist. Right here. Oh snap! Boy, y'all, this lip is so strong. When I say that Gorilla Tape is worth it, put Gorilla Tape instead of 3M. Gorilla Tape got it going. But like I gotta grind this down. It used to be a piece right here splitting it. I saw in the old Altimas they used to have this piece right here cooling, like it used to be a whole assembly going this way, but this the difference they made into like the 2021, the 2019 and up. So mine's a 2020. Like I said, you got your CVT right there. Pretty much, yeah, man, we're gonna put everything back together and crank it up. See what she sound like. This is just a perfect example showing that yes, you can drive through the rain with this. Let's say no check engine light. Yeah, need some gas again. I bet y'all like every time you shoot a video, you always need some daggum gas. But yeah, I mean, vents are good. The way they designed, no water getting inside or nothing like that. So, I mean, hey, I like it. It's raining, but I just want to show y'all that you can drive with it like this. So, but other than that, you can drive with it in the rain, no issues. Just don't be driving through no freaking water, no flood zone. Then you're gonna be all right. So, as you can see, it's really pouring down raining right now. So, I'm gonna get off of this. I'm gonna get back focused on this road, and I'll let y'all later.